Welcome to Community Science Institute's Water Quality Database. This tutorial covers how to download data from the stream and lake monitoring portion of our database. To download data, you're going to go back to this menu that we showed you in the previous video, and you're going to click Search Streams and Lakes Data. That will bring you to this query page where you can tell the database which types of data you're interested in. Now, the divisions on this page are fairly similar to the way that we explored data when we were staying online. So we'll start with a monitoring region, which we have divided into watersheds. Or you can filter by monitoring sets, meaning a group of monitoring sites or locations that are usually defined by the stream or creek that they're on. So if I wanted data from the whole Cayuga Lake watershed, I would check the Cayuga Lake watershed box here. Now that I've checked that, there's no need to filter more within these monitoring sets. The database knows that I want every monitoring set that falls within the Cayuga Lake watershed. On the other hand, if I just wanted one or a few streams in the Cayuga Lake watershed, or maybe some streams within that watershed and others outside it, I would leave monitoring regions blank and instead select the specific monitoring sets I'm interested in. So say I want to know about Fall Creek and 6 Mile Creek. Because we have so many individual monitoring locations, we don't have a section of checkboxes for them. Instead, we give you the option to type in a specific location that you might be interested in. So maybe here you would type Lake Street Bridge to download data from the location that we looked at in the previous database tutorial video. To specify a particular set of dates, you start typing or click, and then a calendar pops up, and you can use this to set a starting in the from, a starting date, and an ending date of your choice. Then below that we have other options, stuff like choosing base flow or stormwater data, data quality, or the values represented in the results. Then finally, at the very bottom here, we have a list of all of our water quality indicators. So maybe for the creeks that I selected, I'm really only interested in E. coli, temperature, and total dissolved solids. Once you've selected everything that you want to see, you click Filter Results. And this step is really important because the database does not filter automatically as you're filling in the information. So if you jump straight to exporting to an Excel sheet, instead of following the filters that you just selected, you will download the entire CSI database. So just remember to first click Filter Results and then wait for the page to reload. Once the page is reloaded, you can scroll down to the bottom and you'll see all of the entries that you'll be downloading at the bottom, and that'll extend over however many pages, so 32 pages in this case. You can peruse them here if you realize that there's more that you want to download, if you don't want to download all 3,196 entries. But if you do want to download, now that you've filtered, you can instead scroll back to just under water quality indicators and hit export to Excel or export to CSV. So then this will download, and then you can go into your downloads and open it up. And then that will show you all of this data that you have requested. So that concludes this tutorial of navigating CSI Stream and Lake database to download data to your own computer. Please let us know if you have any questions so that we can guide you through this process. We post these data online specifically for people to download and use it, and we only ask that you give us credit if you do end up using our data. If you end up using it, we would love it if you let us know, because we love to see our volunteers' hard work out in the real world. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you the next time.